Hello everyone, this is Maria Russell here with you again, bringing you another product close-up video from the 2020 Warm and Cozy Holiday release by Trinity Stamps. This is a two-piece stencil that creates a beautiful bokeh effect tree. Use any of the combination of the 4 different layers to create a gorgeous tree of light. I'm now going to show you how to use the stencil and then share some gorgeous samples from the design team. Here is my panel of Bristol Smooth White cardstock, die cut using the Slimline Scallop Standalone die set. The first stencil that I'm using is the Stencil A, which is clearly marked on the stencil itself. I will be using 3 of my favorite dye inks, 2 from Lawn Fun and 1 from Hero Arts. The first one that I'm using here is called Ballet Slippers, and I'm using my finger daubers to add the color to the cardstock. I used the finger daubers because I wanted some intense color, and these inks are very light, which is why I used the little daubers instead of the blending brushes. The next color that I will be adding will be the Minty Fresh. I just flipped the stencil and now I will be adding the color to fill in the gaps. And every now and then you'll see me lift the stencil because I just wanted to make sure that I covered everything. And now I am going to use Stencil B to add the yellow color, which is Soft Vanilla from Hero Arts. I love that this stencil set is so easy to use, and as you can see, I was able to fill in all the gaps to create a full tree. To add more texture and glitz to the card, I will be using my Nuvo Glimmer Paste in Moonstone. I really love this because it has that subtle glittery effect on your card and it makes it look really classy. And to help me spread the gel evenly on my card, I will be using the ThermoWeb Stencil Pal. I waited for about half an hour to let this dry, and then for the tree topper, I will be using the Gina K Designs Glitz Glitter Gel in Gold. And here is what the card looks like with the tree topper and the layered stencil. And I added the Merry Christmas sentiment using the Sentiment for Almost Everything stamp set. I also layered it in gold so that it will match the tree topper, and it's just a really classy card. I will be showing you a still shot of the card I just made, as well as samples from the design team. We can't wait for you all to get these products, so be sure to share it with us on our Facebook group and Instagram using the hashtag Trinity Stamps LLC. Be sure to click that notification bell to be notified of new content so you can watch more videos and inspiration from the design team from the new release. Thank you for stopping by today, and happy crafting!